send me the video. I ain't sending nothing. You won't book me. I got the video sent to me without me even asking. That's why somebody gonna inbox me talking about you always be having the juice and don't even be asking for it.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, full speed and my heart is racing.
I don't know if you want your window down. How you want me when you got a girl? Yes. Yeah, everybody getting exposed on Facebook now. That's just a thing now.
Girl, who else?
Girl, I got 2 more videos. Dudes getting exposed from being gay. Undercover gay. Girls getting exposed. Some of the videos though that ain't been that bad, like girl wise, that they been exposing other girls. I think what's bad is the dudes, the undercovers. They be street hood people.
Not the hoods, bitch.
The hood. Straight from the hood.
Oh, bitch.
Sleeping with these gay dudes. And sleeping with these girls.
So supposedly, the one who was dancing to Cardi B.
They said that's a boy.
Yeah, they said that's a boy dancing to Cardi B.
Do you think that was a boy?
I don't know.
I don't think that was a boy.
I don't know. I couldn't really. I know that wasn't the cat. That was the boo hole.
That's what they said.
That was the booty hole. That was not the cat, baby.
And they said the dude that was doing it, he was supposed to be a straight dude. The one that he was doing it too. Baby, I pray to God. Nobody I have ever talked to or nothing get exposed on some gay stuff.
That's just nasty.
I'ma have a heart attack.
But it's like, why would you, if you undercover, why would you even record? That shit's stupid.
The video out now, you could tell that the other dude is a street nigga because the clothes he got on, then he got on a chain, he got the facial hair, he don't look like, I don't think that was a gay dude. Girl, I can't get my nails done.
Can't, how you get that,
That shit hurt. When I was fixing the bed cover, my nail did something and I had to pull it off. I feel like, I don't understand. My nails only act like this when I go get my nails done from New York Nails. But like say if I go somewhere else, it's normal stuff. But every time I go to New York Nails, like my nails be glued. It's like they be hot glued on my finger. I don't know what they be doing.
Do you know what kind of glue that? Maybe they using a different kind of glue or something.
And see this one hurt. Like I don't know what they be doing. They do good nails, but some just I don't know. Like my nails be stuck.
Well, I'm glad I ain't got my shit. I bump my shit every once in a while. Come on, now. I bump my shit every once in a while. But you know, my shit is really just basically an overlay. So it's like,
see, my nails they'll grow, but by the time I take my nails off to get something like that, either they'll come off or me taking the nails off will pull it off.
So I want you just get the nail off, get the whole set on there first. And then let your nail grow underneath it and then cut them down. And then that way you'll have your real nails.
I said what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some nails on and just keep getting a feel on them nails till my nails grow to the size I want and then get them soaked off. Instead of trying to peel them off, get them soaked off so they can easily come off without breaking my nails.
guys. That shit wasn't recording. Anyways, Honey's tired. She's whimpered out. It was actually pretty nice out here today. It's a lot of people. Somebody got married today over here. And she ready to go home. So I'm gonna take Honey home and I'll come back to y'all. Look at her. I'm gonna roll one of those down for my baby. She gonna pass out. Huh? Cool.
Gotta buy a boat one day.
Let me see if I can record that.
You down?
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Huh, babe?
Yeah, I'm down.
Down to buy a boat.
Down for the money.
I mean, we gotta get a lake house.
We gotta rent we can rent a lake house.
I mean, to park the motherfucking boat at.
Yeah, you know, I was telling you I wanted a lake house. That's so cool.
Like a sailboat.
Yeah, the boats are like really good. The weather is actually really good for this. That's pretty cool though, honestly. Well, guys, let me zoom back out. I hope y'all have enjoyed this little snippet of me spending time with my doggy and this weather. So I'm gonna get back at y'all once I start recording again. So bye.
None of that was an issue when I parked. And when you try to turn the key, the dashboard blink out.
That's what she was. But I'm on the way to the beach.